Household gadgets that will transform your daily routine. From innovative tools that save you time to clever solutions you didn't know you needed, this list has it all. We've included all the details and links in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Let's get started. Looking for a quick and effective way to deal with mosquitoes? Check out the Xiaomi Electric Mosquito Killer Swatter. This sleek and powerful device zaps mosquitoes instantly with a single swing, thanks to its high-voltage grid. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and safe to use indoors or outdoors. Whether you're enjoying a BBQ or relaxing at home, say goodbye to annoying mosquito bites. The world of effortless cleaning with the Abir WD-8 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. This innovative gadget is designed to tackle your windows with ease, eliminating dirt and grime without you lifting a finger. With its advanced suction technology and smart navigation system, the WD-8 glides over glass surfaces, ensuring a streak-free shine every time. The MIUI Electric Hand-Held Stick Blender, a versatile 6-in-1 multi-purpose immersion blender that will revolutionize your cooking experience. This powerful tool not only blends smoothies and soups to perfection, but also whips, chops, and even purees with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the detachable stainless steel blades provide durability and easy cleaning. Are you tired of wrinkles ruining your outfits? Meet the Xiaomi Mijia Handheld Garment Steamer 2. This sleek, portable steamer heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for quick touch-ups at home or on the go. With its powerful steam output, it easily smooths out the toughest creases on all fabrics, from delicate silks to sturdy cottons. The ergonomic design and lightweight build ensure comfort while you steam away. Meet the Xiaomi Mijia Electric Precision Screwdriver Magnetic Kit, your ultimate tool for tackling tiny tech repairs with ease. This sleek and compact electric screwdriver kit includes 24 magnetic bits to handle everything from phones and laptops to household gadgets. It's got a powerful 200 RPM motor, adjustable torque settings, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, making every repair quick and efficient. Looking to make juicing faster and easier? Meet the Biolo Mix Cold Press Juicer. With its impressive 130mm feed chute, you can fit whole fruits and veggies without the hassle of pre-cutting. This powerful juicer gently crushes ingredients, preserving nutrients and minimizing oxidation for the freshest juice possible. It's perfect for leafy greens, apples, carrots, you name it. Looking for a simple way to display your favorite memories? The Framio 10.1-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame is the perfect solution. With its crystal clear touchscreen display, you can easily upload photos directly from your phone via the Framio app. No need for USBs or SD cards. Share pictures with family and friends in real time no matter where they are. The frame's sleek design fits any home decor, and it supports both landscape and portrait orientations. Are you tired of scrubbing away at stubborn stains in your kitchen? Meet the Xiaomi Household Cleaning Brush's Electric Kitchen Brush. This powerful cleaning tool features an ergonomic design and multiple brush heads, making it perfect for tackling everything from greasy stovetops to dirty dishes. With its high-speed rotating bristles, you can cut your cleaning time in half while achieving a sparkling finish. Upgrade your kitchen with the Lefton Waterfall Workstation Kitchen Sink Set, where style meets functionality. This stunning sink features a sleek waterfall design, making a bold statement while providing efficient water flow for all your cooking needs. Its multifunctional workstation comes with built-in accessories, including a cutting board and drying rack, maximizing your workspace. Looking for a powerful and precise trimmer? Check out the W-Mark NG-X1. This pro-level hair trimmer combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, making it perfect for barbers and DIY stylists alike. The NG-X1 features a high-speed motor for ultra-smooth cutting and adjustable blades that handle even the thickest hair effortlessly. Plus, its ergonomic grip and long-lasting battery give you comfort and control for hours of uninterrupted trimming. Looking to upgrade your dental routine? Meet the FairyWheel P11 Sonic Whitening Electric Toothbrush, a powerful choice for a cleaner, whiter smile. With 62,000 brush movements per minute, the P11 removes up to 10 times more plaque than a manual brush, tackling stains for that fresh, polished look. It features 3 modes: clean, soft, and massage, making it ideal for sensitive gums or a deep cleaning experience. Say goodbye to smelly shoes with the Xiaomi Sothing Loop Stretchable Shoe Dryer. This innovative device effectively dries and deodorizes your shoes, eliminating bacteria and unpleasant odors. Its flexible design adapts to various shoe sizes, ensuring a thorough drying process. With its quiet operation and energy-efficient performance, the Xiaomi Sothing Loop is the perfect solution for maintaining fresh and hygienic footwear. Transform your fitness routine with the mini electric elliptical machine. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for indoor workouts, rehabilitation training, or staying active while you work or relax. This elliptical delivers smooth, low-impact movement to protect your joints while boosting your cardio and strengthening muscles. Its quiet motor and adjustable settings make it ideal for any fitness level or recovery goal. Elevate your brewing experience with the Brewista Artisan Stainless Steel Electric Gooseneck Kettle. Perfect for coffee enthusiasts and tea lovers alike, this kettle combines precision and style with its elegant gooseneck spout for controlled pouring. The digital temperature control ensures your water is at the perfect brew temperature every time, while the stainless steel design not only looks stunning, but also guarantees durability. Say goodbye to tedious pool cleaning with the Ciato Crab Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This innovative gadget effortlessly glides across the surface and dives deep to scrub away dirt, debris, and algae, all without the hassle of cords or hoses. With its intelligent navigation system, it efficiently covers every inch of your pool, leaving it spotless and inviting. If you're an ice cream lover, the Ninja Creami NC299AMZ is about to become your new favorite kitchen gadget. With 7 one-touch programs, this versatile ice cream maker lets you whip up creamy ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and more in minutes. Just prep your base, freeze it overnight, and let the Creami transform it into a delicious dessert with perfect texture and flavor. If you're looking to keep your food fresher for longer, the Xiaomi vacuum sealing machine might just be the gadget for you. This compact, sleek device uses powerful vacuum technology to lock in freshness by sealing out air, which is ideal for everything from meal prepping to bulk storing. It's simple to use with one-touch operation, has multiple sealing modes for different foods, and even comes with reusable vacuum bags. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you found these gadgets as exciting and useful as I do. If you're ready to elevate your daily routine, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing finds like these.